Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, right here is boom 1000. The market was on uptrend right from this support zone, but it got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, so it has started a downtrend right from here. So this is going to be selling for now, but we needed to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below that support zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. It started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, was unable to go further, so it had a pullback, and of course right now it's trying it out again to see if it will break out above it. Once it breaks out above it, to keep on buying, and of course the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 was an uptrend before. It came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend. That's why we are having this red flag and it is crashing down at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It was an uptrend starting from this support zone, kept on buying and buying, and it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it's going to go back on downtrend, but once it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 was on downtrend, got to this region, tried to go back on uptrend, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone. So this led to a lot of ranging movement, and of course the market eventually broke out below this particular support zone. Okay, and of course that led to a very big sell. Okay, so it kept on selling, and of course it is at another support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.